So you're wanting to use wired earbuds or headphones with your phone, tablet, or computer, but your device only has a USB-C port on it. Well, this is the BENFEI USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. Let's have a closer look. So a couple things I want to point out, it is plug and play. So it works with most modern devices with a USB-C port, iPhones, Galaxy phones, Pixel phones like what I have here, iPads, laptops. There's no drivers, no fuss, it just works. It's got an advanced chipset inside, so clear and distortion-free audio. So DAC, that's digital to analog converter. Crystal clear, high fidelity sound. It also supports up to 24-bit, 96 kilohertz audio. Let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box, of course, it came with the user manual and then the adapter here. So that's the BENFEI USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. It's 5.5 inches in length. It's got a really nice braided cable there. It says it's tested to 30,000 plus bend, so that's quite a bit. It's quite well built. It's lightweight. This one happens to be the gray color, but it does come in a few different colors. So let's go ahead and plug this into my phone here and see how it works. So you just plug it into your USB-C port here on the bottom, like that, and then we can grab our earbuds and plug those in. And then let's get some audio playing here. So I've got my podcast playing and the music and audio I've tested in my earbuds sounds great as intended. The other thing I did want to point out is that my headphones built-in controls still work with this adapter as well, which is a great feature. And again, this is the BENFEI USB-C to audio jack adapter in the gray color.